Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best VW Bug exhaust is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for this classic car, offering a blend of performance enhancement and aesthetic appeal. From enhancing the iconic engine note to improving airflow and potentially boosting horsepower, choosing the right exhaust system can significantly impact your driving experience. This video will delve into the crucial factors to consider when selecting a VW Bug exhaust system, helping you make an informed decision that perfectly complements your beloved vehicle. Number 5. VW Muffler Installation Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a smooth installation. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy assembly. You'll find all the gaskets, clamps, bolts, and nuts right here. No need to source additional components. It simplifies the installation process, saving you time and frustration. Everything is included for a quick and easy job. It's specifically engineered for VW engines within the 1,200 to 1,600 cubic centimeters range, ensuring a precise and secure fit. It uses high-quality materials for durability and longevity. You can trust it for a reliable and long-lasting installation. This kit makes the installation process simple and straightforward. Even beginners can install it with ease. What we like. It's a complete kit with all the necessary parts for a smooth installation. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation process and don't want to source parts separately, this is the perfect choice. You'll save time and frustration with this comprehensive kit. What people say. These are the right part for the 1979 VW Super Beetle convertible I have, and they are good quality clamps. Use this kit to replace a number of leaking gaskets that hadn't seen much use but had been sitting in a barn for about 38 years. I noticed when I was driving that the exhaust noise was increasing. I used this kit to replace all the gaskets that the kit was designed to replace, and it is much quieter. Sounds more like the way it looks. Perfect fit and made installation easy. Number 4. VW Beetle AC251420 exhaust. Upgrade your VW Beetle's exhaust system with this stylish and durable option. It's a direct replacement for the original, offering a seamless installation. This exhaust boasts a classic GT style, enhancing your Beetle's sporty aesthetic. The design is sure to turn heads. Notice the gleaming chrome tips. They add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your vehicle's rear end. They're highly polished for a lasting shine. It's made with galvanized steel for superior corrosion resistance. This ensures it will maintain its good looks for years to come. Want a unique look? It can be painted with high-heat paint to match your car's color or create a custom design. This exhaust is a direct replacement for your factory exhaust. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. What we like. This exhaust boasts a stylish GT design and gleaming chrome tips. If you're aiming for a visually enhanced exhaust system that will last, and want to add a touch of class to your VW Beetle, this is it. Its galvanized construction ensures lasting good looks. What people say. Works great and fits as it should. This exhaust is a great deal but needs a few little tweaks to fit, but nothing you can't fix by just spreading the pipes a little by hand. The heat riser tube line right up great, and the quality is really good as well. This is a great exhaust for your VW, easy installation and sounds great. Number 3. 2-tip exhaust for VW Dune Buggy. This exhaust system is designed specifically for Type VW engines. It's perfect for giving your Dune Buggy a raw, powerful look and sound. Experience the thrill of enhanced performance with this system. It's built to deliver a truly exhilarating driving experience. This exhaust system is compatible with Volkswagen and VW-based Dune buggies. It's a great way to upgrade your ride. It's meticulously crafted for a perfect fit and long-lasting durability. Enjoy years of reliable performance. This system is designed for easy installation, making it a simple upgrade for your Dune buggy. Get it on the road quickly. Transform your Dune buggy's look and performance with this stunning exhaust system. It's the perfect addition to any VW powered Dune buggy. What we like. This raw exhaust is specifically designed for Dune buggies. If you own a Dune buggy and want a simple, no-frills exhaust upgrade, this is a great option. It's ready for customization or use as is. What people say. Works great and is very good quality. Yes, it does work with a filter pump. You have to make sure you have the orientation on your donut clamps to where the hardware does not stick out toward the filter to give you clearance for your filter, but it will work. It came with 2 each exhaust gaskets and heat riser gaskets, hardware to attach heat riser block-offs only, and an Empi aluminum fresh air hose part number 00-3494-0 for your heater boxes if needed. Number 2. Empi exhaust for VW Dune Buggy. Upgrade your VW Dune Buggy's performance with this Empi exhaust system. It's built to last and enhance your driving experience. This exhaust boasts a sleek black finish, accented by gleaming chrome tips. It's a perfect blend of style and performance. Experience improved engine breathing and a throatier exhaust note. It's the perfect upgrade for your off-road adventures. It's crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. You can count on it for years to come. Everything you need is included, hardware and an aluminum flex hose for a smooth installation. Get ready to hit the dunes. The kit includes all necessary hardware and an aluminum flex hose, making installation straightforward. You'll be enjoying the improved performance in no time. What we like. This high-quality exhaust features a sleek black finish and chrome tips. If you value quality and appreciate attention to detail, this is the one for you. The included hardware ensures a straightforward installation. What people say. Bought for my 72 Bug, running dual carbs, and while I'm not a certified mechanic, I found it was a simple install. Fits perfectly and total time, took maybe 40 minutes including tuning my carbs for the right idle and sound. 1973 Super Beetle fits easily and easy to put on. Looks great. Exactly as described and much better than I anticipated. Number 1. VW Type 1 Muffler. This high-quality muffler is a perfect replacement for your classic VW. It's designed for superior performance and a long lifespan. It's built to exacting European standards, ensuring a precise fit and reliable operation. You'll notice the difference immediately. It's compatible with 1,300 cubic centimeters to 1,600 cubic centimeters VW engines and VW-based Dune buggies. It's the ideal upgrade for your vehicle. Experience a smoother, quieter ride with improved exhaust flow. It's the perfect blend of performance and style. It's designed for straightforward installation. Get back on the road quickly and easily. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your classic VW with this top-of-the-line muffler. What we like. This is a high-quality, Euro-made replacement muffler. If you need a reliable and durable replacement that fits your engine type perfectly, this is your best bet. It's a direct fit and ensures a smooth, quiet ride. What people say. Arrived on time, fit perfectly. Made well and fits. Very nice fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.